Hi again, second graders. Welcome to day 2. We are now going to be taking all of our notes that we collected, and our job for the rest of the week is we're going to be writing an informational paragraph about the hygiene hook. When we think about a paragraph has parts. So this week you're going to be writing an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. An introduction is the first part of your writing. Authors write introductions to hook, no pun intended, their reader. Authors tell the readers what they will learn. That's the first thing that they're going to do with their introduction. And so when you're thinking about your introduction, you can start your introduction with that hook in two different ways. One, you could tell a surprising fact about your topic, or you could ask a question. For me, I think I'm going to ask a question. So it's important once you get to writing your introduction that you have your notes out in front of you, because that's what's going to help you when you get to this writing part. So for me, I'm going to ask a question. I think my question is going to be, did you know that germs can live on stainless steel for up to 3 days? So I'm going to write that first. Did you know that germs can live on stainless steel surfaces for up to 3 days? I always end my question with that question mark. So now that I've hooked my reader, next I need to introduce the topic. I need to tell people why they should read my paragraph and what they're going to learn in this paragraph. So when I'm thinking about that, I'm thinking about all those facts that I collected. And when I'm thinking about why people should read this, well, they should read my paragraph because this hygiene hook could save lives. It could keep people healthy, and not just me, but other people as well. And when they are reading about this, what are they going to learn? They're going to learn about how it's simple, it's cheap, it can protect ourselves from germs, it can protect others from germs, and it's something that you can carry with you all the time. So not only can it prevent the pandemic or the coronavirus, but maybe it can stop it too. Who knows? Okay, so now I'm going to get to the rest of my paragraph. I started with that question. Did you know that germs can live on stainless steel surfaces for up to 3 days? Now let's tell them why they should read this paragraph and what they're going to learn. You will probably use doors your entire life. So it's important to learn how to use them without getting germs. So now I'm going to go back and read that. You will probably use doors your entire life, so it's important to learn how to use them without getting germs. Maybe I need to add something in there about actually, I might change this. So I'm going to revise as I go. And this is real, second graders. Like, this is how writers write, is they come up with an idea and then they reread it and they think, I don't think that really makes sense, or I don't like what it's saying. I think I'm going to change that around a little bit. So I'm going to say, you will probably encounter germs for all of your life. So it's important to learn how to keep yourself safe as well as others. Now I want to tell my reader, so we've already told them why they should be reading. Now I need to tell them what they're going to learn. So maybe I say, keep reading to learn how a simple invention can keep you from getting or spreading germs on everyday surfaces like doors and handles. Okay, so let's review second graders. An introduction is the first part of your writing. Authors write introductions to hook their readers. Authors tell the readers what they're going to learn. They tell their reader what they're going to learn by starting with a hook. So remember, here is my hook in my paragraph. Your hook can be a surprising fact, or you can ask a question. My hook was a question. It says, did you know that germs can live on stainless steel surfaces for up to 3 days? Next, you need to introduce your topic. I introduced my topic by telling them why they should read below as well as what they will learn. So first, when I introduced my topic, I said, you will probably encounter germs for all of your life, so it's important to learn how to keep yourself safe as well as others. Next, I need to tell my readers what they're going to learn. Keep reading to learn how a simple invention can keep you from getting or spreading germs on everyday surfaces like doors and handles. So looking at the introduction that I just wrote, you can see the 3 parts to that introduction. It's a hook, it's introducing the topic by telling your readers why they should read it and then what they're going to read about. So second graders, after you're done listening to this video, now it is your turn to write your own introduction about the hygiene hook. Remember, use your notes from yesterday that you gathered and write your own. You can either do it on paper or if you like to type, that works too. I'll also put my example on this screen, and remember, I know it's hard not to, but you need to write your own version. Do not copy mine. Tomorrow, we will get to writing the body of the paragraph and explaining and informing our audience about all these really cool things about that hygiene hook. See you tomorrow.